Hi and hello my beauties, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I'm at 23 subscribers right now. It's my little family of tadpoles right now because I'm still growing, but 23 subscribers is still pretty damn amazing. So yeah, thank you guys. I just got accepted into the university of my choice, so I am going to be following a makeup tutorial. I am obviously not a beauty guru. I just don't have the same energy that I had in high school doing makeup. I used to experiment with my hair a lot, with my makeup a lot, just because, you know, at nighttime I had nothing to do and I wanted to be prepared for the next day of school to see what would look best on me. So I have a lot of makeup left over from high school and just new ones that I've bought recently that I'm going to be using for this. But I'm not going to be just following like Nikki tutorials or Christy. I'm going to follow one of Jenna Marble's old drunk makeup tutorials. I love Jenna Marbles and I just figured, why not? Let's just follow her terrible drunk advice. So if you guys are wondering, my hair is really frizzy right now because I need to brush it, but it is super dry, so I kind of don't want to brush it. I did do a second process. As you can see, my ends are very light, and you know, I was following the tip of do your roots last, and yeah, it ended up being that my roots did not really lift as much as the rest of my hair. Obviously you see this is blonde, but I mean it's like a really bad red to blonde ombre pretty much. But let's try to find this video real quick.
There we go.
So since my face gets really cakey and patchy when I put this crap on my face, I'm gonna put a little moisturizer on my face. Even though drunk Jenna doesn't, I'm gonna do it because my face needs it. So this one is the oil-free acne moisturizer in pink grapefruit by Neutrogena. Yeah, I got that from Walgreens too, I'm pretty sure. Yes, my hands are clean. I don't think drunk Jenna started with clean hands because who thinks of that when you're drunk? Crevices of my nose because that's where it's really bad. So she says to just cake it on till you look like a different person, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright girl, this is hello orange. But yeah, let's just put it on my skin with this brush that I found in my makeup drawer, which obviously has been used for this purpose. Can't find my beauty blender and I cannot find my other brushes for some weird reason. I'm pretty sure they're under the bed, but it's a lot of work getting under there, so I'm just gonna use what I can find. Ooh, Donald Trump came to visit. Oh well, maybe from doing this I will look like I have a tan and I'm not a terrible white girl. I already can feel how much hate I'm gonna get this video from not matching my concealer to my face and using a dirty makeup brush. But just know I don't usually do my makeup anyways, so that's why my brush isn't clean, because I don't use it that often. I've probably only used it like a handful of times because I don't usually do this, just because, like I said, my face gets very patchy when I do this to it, so I don't normally do this to my face. I look like a tangerine right now. But listen, I did what she said. She said till you look like a different person, and I definitely look like a different person that got a really bad spray tan. Doesn't judge me.
Shows how drunk you are because the faster you do it, like...
Oh, I gotta do it on my neck too. No, I gotta put more moisturizer on my neck because I had some crap going on my neck and it's like really irritated as is. So yeah, I'm not gonna put it all over my neck obviously, but I'm just gonna do a little bit because that's what Jenna Marble says to do. Oh, I'm regretting my life choices already. I look like a Cheeto Puff. Hey guys, just got back from California. Got my tan going on. Just kidding.
You only do your makeup like this because you're sad on the inside. So you know what you do first.
That's very true.
Is that you just make sure that your eyes are there. What I like to do is just take, I don't have a mirror. I just like to take the liquid eyeliner and take one little baby step.
Okay, liquid eyeliner. That is not it. Look at these cute little tattoos I got from Amazon for like $6. You can buy them on Miss A. I found them on Miss A, which is like $1 website. It's like for beauty and stuff. But I mean, I got a pack of like 10 of them for $6. So I mean, this is still pretty good of a deal. All right, so back in sort of the same position as before. She says to just put on a crap ton of eyeliner on your face. So I've got a pencil liner from Wet n Wild that I use quite frequently because I love eyeliner and it's not that hard to just slap on a bunch of pencil liner. Let's do this. She literally just slaps it on with some messy wings. She says that's gonna be dark in the club anyway, so no one's gonna see it. Alright guys, this is what we got so far. Definitely some pretty messed up wings, and the eyeliner does not match on both sides. So yeah, I think that's all she does for her eyeliner.
There's no turning back. You got the black. Sometimes you realize that you're using blush as your eyeshadow, and that's
Blush as eyeshadow. I don't have blush, so, or at least not any on me, so we're gonna use my Profusion Studio Highlight palette, and yeah, I'm just gonna take the thing closest to pink, which is this color right here. I don't know what color that is because there's no label, but yeah, she just slaps that on her eye, so let's go ahead and do that. I got this from Five and Below. Pretty sure it's meant to be like a painter's brush, but it works anyway. So she says to put it on the eyeliner, so oh no. See, I'm kind of in the safety zone because I'm following a drunk girl's makeup tutorial, which means that if it looks bad, it's intentional anyways, so it's okay. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. Definitely would not want to approach myself in the club right now, okay? If I were a guy looking for a girl, this is not what I would want to approach. Okay, so now she's putting on like a really dark brown, kind of like a rosy brown on her eyes. So I'm gonna use, okay, let me show you what palette this is. So this is the Profusion Wanderlust 21 Pro Pigment Shades and Dual Ended Brush from Target. I think this was like $20, somewhere around there. I'm gonna be taking the Nostalgia color, which is this brown color right here, and I'm gonna mix it in with a Go Girl, which is right here. Look like a raccoon. Okay, she's talking to her brush. Aww. Oh, she just rubbed her makeup on that she just put on her eyes. She rubbed it all over the place. Oh, I don't want to do it. Okay, really didn't make a difference, so that's okay. She smacks her brush on her face a few times. What did she just do? I think she just took like a black eyeshadow of some sort, or maybe it was gel liner, and she just put it on what she just did to her eye. And we're gonna use the Mariposa eyeshadow smoky palette. Yeah, it doesn't say much. I don't know where this is from because I got it as a gift from someone. Okay. Anyone who knows me knows that I don't really like false eyelashes because I suck at putting them on my eyes. Just broke the box. I'm taking these Kiss eyelashes. Obviously I've worn them before because they're all bundled up in the box. And yeah, these are K-Ped 12. I got this from like my local, not drugstore, it's a beauty store, but it's like a really cheap beauty store. So I'm just taking this and I'm going to put some glue on it. I'm scared. I don't like putting on eyelashes. Okay, I got my little grabby tweezy thingy for my eyelash. Alright, so that's the first one, poorly done, but like Jenna says, it's gonna be dark, no one's gonna tell anyways. So while I'm doing these eyelashes, I'm struggling so bad. Let's just talk about life. So I got scammed of $140 on OfferUp because I thought I was buying a PS4 and the kid sold me a PS3. So if you are following me on Twitter, you would have seen the tweet that I posted about being scammed on OfferUp of $140. But get this, I went to my local law enforcement, well, it's not really my local one, I just went to the one I went to Orlando, the city that it occurred in, because I'm not actually living in Orlando, but I'm pretty close to Orlando. I just don't want to give out my actual location, obviously. They said they couldn't do anything for me, so I reported him on OfferUp, and I made the tweet, and OfferUp ended up contacting me, telling me that I need to go to my local law enforcement, but my local law enforcement isn't doing anything for me, because they said that it was an agreement, even though it wasn't. It was fraud on his part, it was false advertisement, but yeah, I should have checked the bag that he put the thing in before I gave him the money, but my anxiety screwed me over because I almost got into a car accident with a minivan next to me, and I was really shaken, and I kept telling myself, check the bag before you buy the PlayStation, because you know it's electronics, people can really rip you off with electronics. But I've bought electronics off of OfferUp before, so I mean, wasn't really thinking anything of it. This kid pulls up, I hand him the money, blah 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 blah, and yeah, I realized that it's a PS3. The game cases are for PS4, but there's no games in them, and the PS4 controller that's in the bag is broken. So yeah, he got his account deactivated, but get this. He was dumb enough to use the same username for OfferUp as his YouTube channel username or channel name, and because his Twitter is linked to his YouTube, so Google popped up his Twitter name. It does confirm that that's his Twitter because it's his YouTube channel is also on his Twitter. I just had a feeling that if I did some digging on his YouTube channel that I would find his Instagram, and ding ding ding, dumbass put his Instagram page on his YouTube channel. So I have his YouTube channel, his Twitter, his Instagram, and get this, his Instagram is a business page, even though he doesn't have a business, unless it's a business for scammy people. Because he made it a business page, his phone number and his email is on his Instagram. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, because if I message him something and he considers it as threatening, it's considered cyber stalking, because cyber stalking is like looking for people's information with malicious intent, which obviously I don't have a malicious intent. I mean, he scammed me. I don't know what to do. So if this is happening to you guys, or you have any recommendations, please comment down below, because that was $140, and just because that account got deactivated, how do I know that he's not scamming other people? So I was debating on messaging him, but I mean, revenge is a dish best served cold. I know that he's gonna get karma eventually, because that's just how karma works. Dude, if you're watching this, you're a complete dumbass for scamming me. You are a terrible person. I'm guessing you were just broke and needed the money. I don't know, but yeah, I know all your information now. So yeah, I've already reported him to ic3.gov because that's what the officials told me to do. So I don't know, but I am broke so bad. I have like $100 left because I'm a broke college student. Oh my gosh. She says to keep your eyes closed while you do your eyebrows. Oh my gosh, Jenna, why am I doing this? So this is Brows Now all-in-one brow kit. I think I got this from like Target's dollar section because it has a little dollar sticker on it. I don't remember, but this is what it looks like. The problem with my brows is that for some weird reason they look really dark with any brow powder that I put on them. Like if I put powder on them, they just look too bold and I kind of look like a dude. So like I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out, but she says to do it with your eyes closed, so they don't look any different, except I can see right there there's some spots that are kind of not looking that good. Oh, she's putting eyeliner in her waterline. Oh, just broke the lids of my eyeshadow. So she says to put it on her waterline, so oh, I hate doing tight lining. Let's hope that that's the last of using eyeliner because I don't want to do any more eyeliner. Okay, she's putting it everywhere, but I'm gonna use this this color right here at the bottom. It's like a brown, like a soft brown orange kind of color. I've always used that when doing that, like in high school. Whenever I felt like it, I would use that for like contouring and crap like that for bronzer. And I'm gonna put it here. All makeup is you're using your face as a canvas. Oh my gosh. This color would look good with my natural skin, but not really with this foundation. I can't really see because the sun is so bright. Okay, I don't really want to do this part, but it's all over her face. Oh my gosh. Okay, she puts more blush, so like I said, I can't find mine, so we're just gonna use the color that we started off with first for our eyes. This just got 10 times worse. I forgot that she does this. I don't want to do this. Put it all over her lips. Oh, she put it all over her lips. This is bad. Alright, so that is the end. This is the finished look. It is definitely not a look. I would say this is probably like decent if it wasn't for this terrible lip crap. Definitely would not do this like on a day-to-day basis. This is just not a look. I wouldn't even go to the club with this look, but what did I expect from following a drunk girl's makeup tutorial? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me absolutely wrecking my face. I'm regretting it. I'm just thinking about how hard it's gonna be to remove all of this makeup. Hopefully my face wash will do a good job at removing it. If you guys like this video, definitely like it, subscribe too, because we are just one big happy family of tadpoles right now, 23 subscribers, and we would be so happy if you guys would subscribe and join our little tadpole family. This is it for this video. Do not put eyeliner on your lips. I hope your life is full of light, positivity, and love. See you guys.